Hello, and thank you so much for joining us today. Today, we will be talking about the topic of obesity. It'll be myself, Kayla Pigeon, Summer Book, and Jessica Noble. So what does it really mean to be obese? So as defined by the Merriam-Webster Dictionary, it is a condition characterized with excessive accumulation and storage of fat in the body. So it's really based off your body mass index. And what are the factors that contribute to obesity? One of the leading factors is fast food chains. It's easy, it's convenient, and they're everywhere. Another thing is overconsumption. So now also a lot of fast food chains and places that you buy food from have family packs or have too much food for you to eat. Another thing is poor lifestyle. So our exercise choices and the way that we go about everything as far as walking or driving everywhere. Another factor is stressful lives. We do live in a society today that we have busy lives. There's always something going on that we have to take care of. Another thing is our upbringing. So a lot of families now, the normal is to eat fast food, to eat takeout pizza, to bring home, McDonald's. And usually if an obese parents, most of the time their kids are going to be obese as well.
Hello. So why should you care? Well, more than 1/3 of the U.S. adults, which is 38.5%, according to the Centers for Disease Control, are estimated to be obese. And that comes with an estimated annual medical cost of obesity in the U.S. was $147 billion in 2008, and that was U.S. dollars. The medical cost for people who are obese were 1,429 times higher than those with normal weight, according to the CDC. This is a problem because individuals with obesity are affected by diseases, heart disease, stroke, high blood pressure, death, etc. And this is a problem because this is 1/3 of society, of our neighbors, of our family members. So this is a problem that we need to stop. Future generations and children are affected by living in a society where eating fast food and consuming too much is normal. The environment is affected due to overconsumption of meat, which takes a lot of energy to produce and is not always healthy to eat. Policies on subsidizing food, like we could also change policies on subsidizing healthy food by taxing less healthy food, subsidizing healthier food, and correcting or managing misperceptions of true cost of food choices, and subsidizing creation of community and home gardens. And this could be done by the Pigouvian tax, which is taxing just food, taxing just food and subsidizing nutritious food. And the taxing just food part would be like junk food, and the subsidizing nutritious food would be like healthier things like fruit and vegetables, and like just very nutritiously dense food would be subsidized. All right, thanks.
What's on your plate? Is it healthy and organic fruits and vegetables, or is it unhealthy foods with preservatives and extra fat and salt? What actions are you taking to have a healthier lifestyle? As you can see on this map, this is the percentage of the population in each state of obesity. So Arizona is in yellow, and that is between 25 and 30% of the population being obese. There are a couple states in green, which is between 20 and 25%. No states under 20%. Most of the states on this map are in red, and the light red being between 30 and 35%. And the dark red states, there's just a couple of them, over 35% of the population. So as you can see, with most of it being red states, Obesity is a huge epidemic that we need to take care of. So what can we do to make a difference? What you can do personally is buy fresh and local produce. So you can shop at your farmer's market. Also change your lifestyle by walking and riding your bike instead of driving, and promote policies that encourage healthy living. So make sure that you go and vote on those laws about health. Encourage the people around you, your friends, family, and your children to have a healthy future. So make sure that you keep healthy snacks in your pantry instead of those unhealthy ones with loads of sugar and extra preservatives. Also check out locavores.com and eatwellguide.org for resources for healthy restaurants near you and farmers market. It's a really good resource for that. So the only way to solve a problem is for everyone to come together and make a change. So yes, we can do it individually, but it's not going to make a greater of an impact as if we all come together and make the decision to change our lives so that we have a healthier nation.
All right, well, thank you so much for joining us. And these last two slides, we talk about what was contributed and what sources that we use in order to put this process together. So in this group, Jessica Noble, she did the research and some of the writing for some of these pages, and she also did some editing, and she did the slide for number 5. I myself, Kayla Pigeon, I created the overall PowerPoint presentation, and I presented slides 1 through 4 and these last ones as well. I also consolidated all the videos and put it into the YouTube version, which is the one you're looking at. And lastly, Summer Book, she made slides for 6 through 8. She also did research and some resources for some healthy and nearby restaurants and farmers markets. And finally, here are some references. So a lot of the statistics we got for the Center for Disease and Control. And also we have the Hedva Wagner and resource from the Scientific Magazine. Thank you so much for participating with us today, and I hope you have a good day.